Hi friends, so I'm back and I just feel like my mirror is just out of place in my Christmas area place. So I just decided to grab some of the branches that is like leftovers from the decorations that I do have, and I don't want to buy anything, so I'm just gonna do my best to figure out something that I could use or reuse to decorate the house. So I'm gonna use this branch, put them together, and I used a wire.
I had a dream last night.
And I'll go ahead and
You were by my side at that special time of year.
These flowers are leftovers as well.
I woke up to the snow.
Use it to make Christmas
Very
tree.
songs on the
Instead of just
radio.
putting it aside,
I turned around and there you were, my dear.
It looks pretty.
And now that I'm here with you, I know my dream came true. So baby, come close to me. I want the world to see me kiss you under the Christmas lights. You're always gonna have my heart, and we'll never be apart as I hold you under the Christmas lights here tonight. And when you go away, I think about
And ta-da! That's how it looks like. And then I thought I am done, but I was like, it seems like I want to put something more on it. So I grabbed you see that jewels in there. I put that there, and then that's the final look. I grabbed some ribbons and added on there, and it looks pretty, is it? But yeah, this is the best part of it, the Holy Family that I got from the flea market. It's really worth it. Love it. How about you guys? How does your Christmas area looks like?